Springtime has arrived in Sweden. It's a little bit chilly. It's now 8 o'clock in the morning and the sun is coming, so it's getting warmer. So that's super fantastic for us in Sweden after a long cold winter. And 3 weeks ago I was in Australia, and there of course it is summer. It was 25 up to 30 degrees. And I was there during 1 week to be at a workshop on photonics, energy and quantum technologies in research and industry. So that was a very nice workshop where people met from different disciplines to talk about these things. And one common thing is the availability of material for the new developments. And that is very interesting because we have research activities to produce cubic silicon carbide, doped silicon carbide, intrinsically pure silicon carbide, semi-insulating silicon carbide. And all these approaches are very nice to explore. But if they are done in a research lab, then it will be tricky to repeat the same material, especially if it's a small reactor and which is used by several people or several projects. Then it has been very difficult to reproduce things. It's very nice for research to make tendencies, explore a series of growth parameters, and then understand those and then publish. But if we would like to have higher probability that the research findings will come to or closer to market, not to market, closer to market, then we actually need more industrial environment. And there it's interesting to think about the technology infrastructures, which are now growing and having more attention. And if we have such in growth of silicon carbide, that can be actually be an infrastructure which can be used by research groups worldwide to make material and then have them shipped to them to explore the properties and next steps after the growth of the material. So such type of hub could be very interesting because it creates synergies when we discuss the different things and meet over disciplines at different parts of the world also. So this is one of the ideas which could be very interesting to actually facilitate that there are more material coming to researchers so the new technologies can be developed. What do you think, Captain? Very interesting. Very, very interesting.